Reading practice number 7. Dear Dr. Washington, colon, are you a good driver? Question mark. If you are, comma, you may be entitled to our special O2 insurance, period. Our plan was actually developed to provide auto insurance at low rates to people working in government positions, period. We still sell insurance to people who work for the government, period. However, comma, we have now opened our rules to all careful drivers, paragraph. Our policy can save your money, period. In addition, comma, it places at your service 35,000 agents and correspondents throughout the world, period. These people are ready to serve you 24 hours a day, paragraph. Call or visit our offices the next time you are in town and let us tell you how much we may be able to save you under our insurance plan, period. You will be making no mistake, comma, Dr. Washington, period, yours very truly, comma.